Vamos. Cuevas Helena.
Okay.
Vamos, vamos.
I'll see if we can do it. Okay, we're going to go and try.
Vamos, vamos.
Here we go. Right. This is the entrance.
La entrada.
And this is
To the right.
to the right in here. Oh, I think we're going to be alright. To the right in here, this is obviously all got to be opened up and lowered to give us headroom. So we've got a window here.
This is the dressing.
This has got to be the dressing area. Okay, and that's a nice view outside. See, we've got wee features here. And straight through there, that'll be lowered and arched. And that's going to be our bedroom, master bedroom. Okay. Bit dark.
Dressing room.
So this is it. This is the dressing room here, which will be our dressing room, and I'll have along that wall there, and at that side we're going to get wardrobes made, and that fireplace we're going to knock through into our. You knocking it through, Matt? We're going to knock that through into our bathroom, well, our ensuite.
Room which is 10 feet by 10 feet through the secret garden at the moment, but this used to be a chimney up there.
So this will really be our area, and that's why we're saying it's fab to be able to go out into our wee secret garden, be at our side of the house.
This will be later.
And then in here, you'll get light in here. This is the manger, and as you can see there, that's where the stable door used to go. The post.
For the
and you can see how this was the manger. Look, Mum, this is your room. So you've got troughs there.
The hens and chickens.
And then
That's
move your arm out, and then we'll have it all lit up. And then through here, no, I'm going to say put lights in there.
Yeah.
And then
that's going to be an ensuite.
We've got to knock through there because that's deep enough to go through there. As you can see right through the other room. But we're going to leave it as rustic as we can. And then now we're going straight to
the lounge.
The lounge. Okay. So into here. What's the plan here, Mark, again?
This is the lounge. This wall here, that chopped away, this will curve round and this will be part of the lounge into a hallway which is going to get knocked through, straight through the wall, right through into the kitchen. And this gets bricked up, stoned up, so that'll be the hallway, and that'll be a dining area through there as well, because it's a big, long distance. And this here is just board plaster. This will be knocked down. Fireplace will be kept because that's an old bread oven. And the chimney will be gone here because the chimney goes right up, so the chimney log burner will be coming out here, and that'll be kept and lit up.
So we get extra.
So there's no baking oven. And in here is going to be bedroom numero 3. With this nice alcoves and.
That's got alcoves. We were going to make this a dining room, but we're struggling in here. But we decided we'll make that a third bedroom, and then we'll put doors on it. And this is where you go through the kitchen. We're going to
have a bigger window there.
That's right.
Get
light. So we'll go through here, and we're going to knock through there, and that takes you through to the kitchen. So this will effectively become sort of a big kitchen
dining corridor through.
Yeah.
Superbo.
And then you've got the light coming in.
Vamos. And your napper.
Okay, doc.
Right.
So obviously we're not doing this. This is so. What I'll do is I'll turn round here and I'll give the line.
You go there and I'll go the other line.
And the guys will come in here with the JCBs and dig down and all that. As you can see, there's Mark.
And that's another 10 feet, 12 feet that way.
Right, so that gives you a good idea, eh? Okie doke. So it'll be fab. It's a lot of work, but we'll only be doing the work. And then at this door, we're going to open that up, put windows and that in there. And at the front end, a lovely day. And at the front entrance, we're going to have nice bit feature over the door
pergola over beam, and going over the pergola we're going to have a vine,
Oh, are we? There we go.
and the vine's going along the top of that.
That's
The
great.
secret
So
garden.
there's the secret garden. So there's a wee insight to what it's like. The kitchen's got to be fab, and it'll be lovely.
Marco's
Okay.
Cocina.
Look forward to you coming over.
Vamos.
Okay, cheery bye. Cheerio, Mark.
Bye bye now.